Should I buy office productivity software? There is a popular misconception that those who are not an Excel power user cannot be creative when it comes to productivity software like Microsoft Office or Google Docs. In this blog post, we'll debunk the myths about using productivity software and show you that there is no need to buy them to reap the benefits. With a little creativity and internet research, you're just a few keyboard strokes away from achieving the same results. Many factors influence the productivity of users, be it the design of the software itself or their abilities to integrate and play around with features. I'm a firm believer that we should never judge someone's work because you may question its originality. If you are good with Excel, get your coworker the PDF report only and tell him to discuss with you how he introduced angle brackets in the relevant cells, and he's good. If not, wow. Congratulations, congrats. Whose Excel is. What products in the DLE software is across all kinds of industries, from fashion to healthcare. It has mapping, survey management, and budgeting features as well. Some of the other software included in the product category is computer-aided design CAD project management systems, and instant messenger communication. The second type of software which is useful for use in the sports industry is player resumes. These are usually used by teams or leagues to keep track of their members' statistics and information. The coaches or general managers might want proof that the computer has produced a proper record of somebody's skill. Finally, I still have to talk about something important. Many professional athletes, coaches and leagues will buy their own software designed specifically for them. These applications will cover everything from video editing to 5 important questions to ask yourself before buying the productivity app. When looking for a new software to help you increase your productivity, make sure that the app meets all of these 5 important questions. 1. What are the recommended uses? 2. Is it suitable for beginners? 3. Does the software come with a trial period? 4. How is it affordably priced? 5. How resilient is it when compared to other competitors? Your budget. It is important to remember that you only have so much money to spend. In that case, it can be hard to choose the right software for your home office. If you are looking for a budget-friendly system, Microsoft OneNote by default comes with a free 7-day trial. You might also be able to save some money by skipping on huge software like Adobe and Office 365 if your computer is over 6 GB of memory or 256 GB of storage. How will it support you? Different people have different needs and work styles. Some use Excel-type spreadsheets, others use word processing, and still others like to jot down notes onto paper. If you are using these or other traditional office products, then yes, you should purchase office productivity software so that you can leverage your investments and get the most out of them. This software should help you produce finished documents without spending hours producing drafts or editing mistakes. Will it improve your profession or specialty practice? If you are a surgeon and are currently using paper notes to keep track of surgical procedures and complications, you will probably achieve better efficiency if you switch to specific software. For example, the dermatologist might find that they can complete the same amount of work with less diagnosis errors with this type of software. If this is the case for your specialty, then it would be worth considering purchasing the software. How easy is it to use and integrate into my current software/business processes? Sometimes it can come down to cost, as the customer needs a software that can seamlessly integrate with their business process and is easy to use. Luckily, there are many options that are not only affordable but fully featured in comparison. From invoicing software to VAT registration, there are programs out there that cater to your needs without breaking the bank. Who can't benefit from using the product? Customers of different businesses can benefit from reviews of office productivity software. If you still use pen and paper in your work, and are looking to change over to a computerized system, the reviews will point you in the right direction. Customers who use their own equipment at work may also be able to find software that they'll like the most. If they plan on making the transition to trading out their equipment soon, reviews can help them estimate if new software is worth upgrading.